Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Biologycolony. In this video, we are going to discuss subphylum Cephalochordata and its various characteristics. So, subphylum Cephalochordata are basically marine organisms that live in shallow waters. They are mostly sedentary, small in size, slender, fish-like, metameric and transparent. Their body is divided into trunk and tail region. They do not have any paired appendages and median fins are found. Exoskeletal is absent. They have dorsolateral muscles that are segmented into myotomes. Anterocellous xylem is present. Rod-like persistent notochord extending from rostrum to tail is present. Complete digestive tract is found, that is, from mouth to anus, digestive tract is complete. It has large pharynx perforated by numerous persistent gill slits, therefore they are filter feeders or ciliary feeders. The respiration occurs through general surface. They have well developed and closed circulatory system. They do not have any heart and they lack respiratory pigment. So the excretion occurs by protonephridia with solenocytes. If you remember, solenocytes you have studied in platyhelminthes, that are the flame cells. Then dorsal tubular nerve cord is found. They do not have any ganglia or brain. Sexes are separate and no asexual reproduction occurs. So gametes are produced and they undergo external fertilization with the formation of a larva, that is the neurula larva, and therefore the development is indirect. They do not have any gonoducts and numerous metamerically repeated gonads are present. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Biologycolony and stay tuned for more. Bye.